Hi, I'm Joe Bartles with DuckWhip. Today we're going to do a quick tutor session on how to clean a dryer vent. Now, this house is built in the 1990s, so we're looking probably about 25 years worth of stuff in the dryer vent. So I want to show you guys how much stuff is actually going to come out. It's going to be crazy. It's going to blow your mind. So easily, I can fit in this laundry room. Just had to move the dryer out. Dryer is real light compared to the washer, so the washer stayed put, and just need a quick flathead to remove the hanger from the vent. And here we are. We're going up. We're going in. Now remember, this DuckWhip goes up to 25 feet, so this should get us all the way to the rooftop. This is a single-story house. All right, check this out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, there it comes. Look at that. Big chunks. I'm pulling the vacuum out so you can see the particles go from top to bottom. We already saw that huge chunk just pass through. Here we go, here we go. Look at this. It's all clumping up. Oh wow, wow, wow. Did you see that? Okay. Wow, that was crazy. It just all clumped up and went at the end. That was a huge ball. That's probably why their dryer was maybe possibly overheating and not taking twice as long for clothes to dry. So let's run it a second time and see what we pull out on the second trip. And you know, this DuckWhip doesn't damage the duct, but you're not going to be forcing anything in. You just ease it in. All right, let's see what we got on the second try. It looks pretty clean, but here we go. We're probably within 5 feet right now. Can you hear the whip rattle inside? So this is probably, what, a 4-inch duct. Here we go. We're getting close to the bottom. We can start seeing the dust come through on the second try. Here we go. We're getting a lot more, a lot more. Here we go. You see all that? It's not too bad for second try, house built in the 90s. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's clumping up again. Oh, my gosh. There we go. All the way out. All right. Let's do third time. See what we pull out on the third trip. All right. All right, let's do it again. Third time. Probably final time. And we're just using my standard vacuum from the truck mount. It's your standard 2.5-inch hose. Here we go again. Yeah, look at that. We're pumping up again. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching the video, and happy dryer vent cleaning to you.